In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily migrate all of your data from Notion to Anytype using Markdown and CSV files. This is a simple and reliable way to move your content over while keeping your pages, text, and database information organized. If you've been thinking about switching tools, this method makes the process much easier to manage from start to finish. To begin, open Notion on your computer and go to the workspace or the specific pages that you want to export. It's a good idea to quickly check that everything you want to move is there before you start, especially if your content is spread across multiple pages or nested inside subpages. Next, head over to Settings and Members in Notion. From there, scroll down until you find the export section. In the export settings, choose Markdown and CSV as the export format. This format is important because it gives you a practical way to transfer both written content and structured database data into Anytype. After that, make sure the option to include subpages is turned on. This step matters because it helps bring over the full structure of your content, not just the top level pages. Once that's enabled, click the export button and let Notion generate your download as a zip file. When the download is finished, find the zip file on your computer. Open it and extract all of the contents into a normal folder. Be sure to fully unzip the files before importing, since Anytype will need access to the actual folder and its contents, rather than the compressed zip archive. Now switch over to Anytype. In the top left corner, click on your space name to open the main menu. From that dropdown, choose the import option. This is where you'll bring in the files you just exported from Notion. In the list of available import formats, select Markdown. Then browse to the folder you just extracted, choose that unzipped Notion folder, and click Open to begin the import process. Depending on how much content you're moving, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish. Once the import is complete, take some time to review your new pages inside Anytype. Check that your text looks correct, your internal links still make sense, and your databases came through properly. A quick review now can help you catch anything that may need minor cleanup. If this guide helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.